What is up, people? It's me, Lee, and today we are going to the studio to check out the Keebs Meetup. This is a meetup for enthusiasts and people who are curious about the hobby of mechanical keyboards. So let's take a look and start playing them.
My name is Jeremy. I'm a photographer and also a avid keyboard enjoyer. One day I was in the market for a keyboard, and I bought a keyboard off my friend Nam. He ended up being a part of the Toronto creative community as well. And since then we've been hanging out more and more, and we decided we wanted to bring keyboards to a wider audience, and we're able to do that through Recess. This is one of the things where you have a lot of creative license to make something how you want to make it. A lot of other products are just you buy it, you use it, that's how it comes, you're not changing anything. With this, there's a lot more, I want this to be different, so I can do that for myself. As I've gotten into the hobby more and more, community has been one of the biggest parts of why I still like this hobby. Everyone is very informative and very warm. It's a very niche hobby, so when you find someone who's as into it as you are, you are able to form like this really easy connection, and you guys get to talk about keyboards, but also other things and things you might not have talked about if you guys didn't like keyboards. We've gone and evolved it to something where we're happy to invite new people to come and join and share this hobby with us. We want to make it a very beginner-friendly space. So this keyboard I built a few days ago. Everything from what you see out here to the insides is all put together by me. You order it all in, and you can, from the internal electronic parts all the way out to these keycaps out here, that's all sort of a custom to what I wanted to do. There are different layouts and designs you can try. Having different ones for different places in your life is also good too. Like having one for home, having one for the office is nice, and it just makes the experience of being on your computer a little bit more enjoyable. If you would like to learn more, I'll tell you. When I go to the Recess Discord, and I ask my friends who I started the hobby with what they're into, what they're looking at, and it's really just being able to find someone who's already into it, and they'll be able to show you more, and we can show you more at the Recess Discord.